it's Aman and welcome back to my DIY channel. If you're new to this channel, thank you for clicking on to today's video, and if you're coming back to my channel, welcome back, you guys. For those of you who are new, my name is Aman, and this channel you will find me guiding you through each step and showing you all step by step on how to create this easy to make, creative, inexpensive DIY projects. I know it's been a while since we've come face to face because I've been making a lot of YouTube shorts, and for those of you who haven't been catching up with my YouTube shorts, you are missing out because there are some amazing videos that I've posted. So if you haven't yet checked out any of my YouTube shorts, be sure to check them out down below in the description box for you to have a look at, and you can also try following them and do some of these DIY projects. Now, as you all have already read from today's title, today's video is going to be a little different. I'm going to be following a art attack tutorial video. When I was around 6 or 7 years old, I remember I used to watch this TV show called Art Attack. I grew up watching Art Attack, and that's kind of where I got my inspiration on making art projects. And hopefully I do not screw up. Can I use this word on this channel? I don't know, but hopefully I don't mess up. But I'm gonna give my 100% and be announcing something at the end of this video, so watch the full video to know the announcement, because I'm going to wait till the end of this video to announce this special announcement. Without further ado, let's begin with the video. Alright, we have all our supplies. So here I have is glue stick. What can we do without our glue stick with the project? And he had as you can see, a round cardboard shape cutout that you're going to need. So in order to make a round cardboard shape, I just have this piece of cardboard with me, and I'm gonna be using this to trace out the shape so I can get that perfect circle shape. And then the biggest, most important supply that we need for the project is our handy dandy tissue paper. You can use any color you want, and then a piece of ribbon. So let's begin with the tutorial. So I'm going to have this tutorial playing right next here. I'm first going to be using this shape to make a cutout. So I'm going to I'm just gonna trace this all around. It should give me a circle like this, you guys can see. And I am just going to cut this out. Videos like these, if you guys want to see more of these, comment below. Honestly, like, I just feel like these videos are so much fun to do. Seriously. This cardboard is so tough. My scissors are not strong enough for this cardboard. We have our perfectly shaped cutout. We have our cutout, and so the biggest and the most important the most important part to finish this DIY is tissue paper. So the tissue paper was already kind of like, as you can see these dividers. It's already been folded up, so it has left this little line. So he said he needed a total of 30 tissue papers. I don't know if I have that much, but let's see. We just gotta work it out with whatever we have. You know, that's exactly what we're gonna do. We're gonna make this work, okay? We're gonna make this work. So just gonna fold it the same way how they've had it folded. I'm not doing anything extraordinary. I'm gonna try to fold it again, just another fold. Pretty much just gonna place the circle on the tissue paper like this. It's already folded, and so we're just gonna trace this over. Has been traced out. So now we're just going to cut it. 30 circles. I don't know how many I have, but let's see. I really think they're all 30, but I think they're at least 20 or 15, or I don't know. But okay, anyways, we have our tissues cut out, And now let's follow what you're doing.
You will also need a circle of cereal box card.
Yes.
A bit smaller all the way round than your tissues.
Okay.
Then you need to cut the card circle
in half.
And just leave the cut pieces to one side.
Okay.
Then take your pile of tissue circles, fold them in half, and
okay, so we cut them in half. Our nice little circle has been cut in half. Okay, so we formed that center line that he was asking for. Nice. Okay, we're just gonna put this one in there. Okay. What am I doing? Why is this dried up? Clearly, this glue stick has to be used somehow. Oh my god, it did work. Okay, we're gonna use our liquid glue. Okay, we're just gonna. Okay. This also works. Okay, we're gonna stick this on there. Got it.
And just press and hold the tissue and card until the glue has stuck firm. When the card pieces have stuck, open out one semicircle segment, and now the really
on the other side. Okay, let's do this.
Take the glue stick again and put them down the center line. Then this time 2 dots at 2 o'clock and 4 o'clock. See that? And press the tissue down into those little blobs of glue.
Got it looking up like this, and now he said to add a ribbon. So we are going to add a piece of ribbon. Put some tape at the back here. What do you guys think? All right, we have the supplies here. Now using our very own cutter where we are going to slice up, because we are not wasting any paper here. Whatever paper is left out, we are going to use this in our next time DIY project. You know, why waste paper? We shouldn't be wasting paper because we care about the planet. Here is our cutout. No, has to be even. Fold it on top of each other. Yes. There you go. They're even. Okay. So once we have these even, let me just actually make a line.
And then divide it into 3 equal sections and draw lines across it like that.
One line. Our second line. Okay, so these are our 3 lines. I don't know if you guys can see that.
Score across the lines, and the best way to score is to take a pair of scissors, keep them closed, and then tape them closed like that. Just for safety, put some sticky tape around them, keep them firmly closed, and then take a ruler, lay it on your line like that.
Pretty much like this. We're gonna make a cracker. Let's make that. Let's make our cracker. Okay. So let's make it just the way he's made it. I'm just gonna use ordinary markers instead. I'm gonna scribble just the way he's done it. So he said he cut out it's like this, and then when you open it, ta-da! That's the surprise. Have a crafting Christmas. Now if you want, you can actually make this. This is actually pretty cool. I just made it a little super fast just to kind of because I would want to make this again, really, but just a little quick project. And that is it. I hope you all enjoyed watching today's video. It was amazing. And honestly, I feel like I went back to my childhood. It was absolutely fun. amazing and I had a great time doing this project. I hope you all enjoyed watching today's video. If you guys did, don't forget to give this video a big like and also subscribe. Speaking of subscribe, for those of you who are new, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and the bell icon so you never miss any of my posts. Also, in order to get a video shout out, all you have to do is just give this video a like, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Give this video a like, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and you'll be easily entered in to get a shout out in my next video. So if you've made it till the end of this video, you guys are probably wondering about the announcement that I was speaking about earlier in today's video. So you have until December 30th to enter in this giveaway, and the winner will be announced on December 31st. So good luck to each and every one of you. And thank you so much for watching today's video. I do hope you enjoyed watching today's video. If you want to see more videos like these, be sure to comment down below. Let me know. Also, if you have any other suggestions or what other kind of videos you want to see on this channel, be sure to also let me know in the comment section below. And you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is _Amanpreetmatharu. And if you want to see more quick and easy DIY arts and craft projects, you can also follow me on TikTok as well. My TikTok is also _Amanpreetmatharu. The links are down in the description below. And thank you so much. Take care, stay creative, and I will see you in my next video. And